My name is Kevin Prather, and I am the farmer educator for Springfield Community Gardens, but today I'm filling in for the Director of Food Hub Operations. Under the local food purchase agreement, we were buying food from local farms all throughout Southwest Missouri, Northwest Arkansas, and then we were distributing those to free fridges in our local community for people to have access to local healthy food. And this seemed like a very direct way to make that happen. It's a take what you need situation when there's items in the fridge. We have 3 fridges in Springfield, Missouri, one at the Carnegie Library, one at the library station, and then one here at the Fairbanks campus.
Our goal with the Springfield Greene County Library is to connect people with resources and materials that they need, and that's what we continue to do. The need is growing. There's more people looking for assistance with food. I feel like everyone is concerned, especially local organizations and nonprofits, because everyone just wants to help. And so one of the great things about Springfield, our community, is that we care for each other, we care for our family, our friends, our neighbors, and now is the time. I feel like our Springfield Community Gardens and other local nonprofits are ringing the bell to come and help. Everyone needs to help. If you can help, please do.
We have lost the federal grants that allowed us to spend that money on local farmers for the local community. We're doing our best to secure funding, but right now things are pretty difficult. Helping people have access to food is sort of an end in its own right, even if we're not fundamentally solving the food system issue. Having full bellies at the end of the day is its own end, in my opinion.